Hello, my name is Jonathan. This is my CS50P final project. I'm gonna try to do it under 3 minutes. So this is a program that translates partially words from a text from English to Chinese based on a ranking that you will put in when you run the program. So if you put in basically the 5,000, and it will translate all of the words except for the 5,000 most frequent words. I got the frequency ranking from Google, and I think they scraped the internet and got made a list of all the words that appear in the English language on the internet. So the idea is that the more frequent words are the easier ones. So you can use the ranking to translate only the hard words of some text. And I use this for my students, and they don't have to go to the dictionary so much if I partially translated the text for them. Okay, so let me run the program first. Sorry, I'm an English tutor, if you haven't guessed it by now. So Python project.py, and I'm going to use it asks for your ranking, so I'm going to use 5,000. And I'm going to just copy the file path. And okay, so it finished and it created a file. I'm gonna make the file easier to read a little bit. And okay, so it will translate all the harder words like engage, like dedicate, conceive, detract, struggle, unfinished, and yeah. So I'm surprised Brave is here. Yeah. Okay, so it translates these the words that are like above the ranking, so it's not perfect, but most of the words are harder words that are translated. And so I also created a file which translates the top all of the words above above the 100 ranking. So now you see that there are a lot more words like Chinese after the English words, right? They even translated 7 and 4 and years and ago, right? So these are much easier words they are translated. Okay, so there is I use the NLTK library and also the NLTK data. So if you want to run the program, you might have to install that before you run it. So I install it, and then I have to install it again after I did not run the program for a few days. So you might have to do that. Okay,